Hello. In this tutorial I will show you how to add in objects into Blender and merge them. So, to add the object in, hold down Shift and press A. Let's add in a cube. And now, we'll hold down Shift and press A and add in a UV sphere. We will grab the UV sphere, press Z to get on the Z axis, and we'll bring it up here. To merge these two objects, we'll first left click the cube, and then we'll hold down Shift this time to grab multiple things and left click sphere. Then hold down Control and press J, and now these objects are merged. I hope you found the tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.